Hello everyone, my name is Jasobant and I welcome all of you to the group discussion tutorial. Today we shall learn all about case-based group discussion. Case study is one of the most popular method of competency measuring for admission into B schools and recruitment into management consulting firms, where they assess skills like communication, presentation, problem solving, logical and analytical ability, creative thinking and innovative solution, time management, and many others. Most of the case studies are of business and market scenarios. Let's look at some examples. Entering new market, industry analysis, merger and acquisition, developing and launching a new product, price strategy, growth strategy, starting a new business or diversification, increasing sales or profit, and reducing costs. The biggest question is how to approach a case in a group discussion. There are many tools which can be used to approach a case. Let's discuss one by one. First of all, standard approach. So under this standard approach, first of all, define a problem or find out a problem statement. Then comes analysis. Avoid multiple assumptions and hypotheses which may lead to complexity. Better stick to given data, information, and universal data. After an in-depth group analysis, it's time to provide solutions and recommendations. However, it doesn't end here. Proposals or suggestions should be given to manage risks and avoid disaster. In simple, plan B should be ready if solutions and recommendation don't work. Finally, summarize the entire discussion and conclude it. Another way of approaching a case is DMAIC model, which is an acronym for define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. DMAIC is an improvement cycle which is used for improving, optimizing, and stabilizing the business processes. One more way of approaching a case is Ishikawa Model, which is also known as fishbone analysis. It's all about a root cause analysis and its solutions. Another useful way of approaching a case is 2x2 matrix. It's usually a 4-quadrant matrix. A couple of examples are BCG matrix and SWOT analysis. Friends, we learned a few tools to deal with any case-based group discussion. However, it's pivotal to have fundamental knowledge on business and diverse market scenarios. Therefore, you can refer a business book based on case studies and interviews written by Mark Cosentino. The free book is available online. I hope this tutorial helps you to perform in a better way in any case-based group discussion. Stay alert and stay subscribed to my channel for my next video on assessment parameter in a group discussion. Thank you.